Organizations are increasingly turning to sustainability-oriented innovation to address issues like climate change, biodiversity loss, and social inequality. But scholars still know surprisingly little about how a firm's innovation can affect the broader systems in which it operates. System-level impact changes more than just a single product or process. It shifts the wider system, including market structure and how stakeholders act and interact. So just how do sustainability-oriented innovations impact things at the system level rather than just for the firm itself? By studying 14 firms across 8 European countries with a newly developed framework, researchers found that firms can achieve system-level impact in 2 different ways, meaning there is not just one path to broader change. Researchers found that the first path to achieving system-level impact involves radically open collaboration. Firms work with a network of non-profit-oriented stakeholders such as NGOs, community groups, and government bodies from the very beginning of the innovation process. Early involvement from diverse actors helps firms uncover system-wide needs, anticipate infrastructure and policy barriers, and design innovations that work better in wider social and ecological contexts. The second path relies on a targeted collaboration with a single stakeholder who acts as an impact extender. These partners, sometimes for profit, amplify the innovation's reach by promoting it, building user communities, and extending its influence into other sustainability domains. In these 2 ways, firms can choose different routes to help their innovations shape the systems around them. Wonder how firms create system-level impact through collaboration? If so, you may want to read this paper.